Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a PDF read and print only in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make a PDF read and print only. Firstly, go to the File menu. Select the Export option. Then wait some moment to loading the preview, and we can see here the PDF file. Now I am select the drop down menu and choose the format is PDF. Then go to the down of this option and select the required password for modification and printing and check mark on the allow document printing. Then click the password option and write your password. Now I am write my password. You can see this password. Click this I button, then click export option, then choose your file location and write your file name, then click save option and wait some moment to export the document. Then go to our file location and check the PDF file. We can see here the PDF file. Then click right button on our mouse. You can open this PDF using browser or any software. Now I am use my browser. Select this Google Chrome and wait some moment to load the PDF. We can see here the PDF. You can print this PDF. Click the print option and print the PDF. Select the print option. Now we can see we make a PDF read and print only very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.